Take a breather from the busy city life and chill out at Alimatoc River Camp in Cadiz City. This chill spot offers an affordable nature retreat that's perfect for chilling and getting back to nature. Getting to Alimatoc River Camp is easy. Just hop on a motorcycle and enjoy a nice ride through pretty countryside views. It's about an hour's trip from Sagay City bus terminal, and you'll get there feeling relaxed and ready to chill. When you arrive, you'll find a peaceful spot waiting for you. For just 30 pesos, you can use the camp's pool and restroom and other utilities. If you're planning to stay the night, you can bring your own tent and pay 150 pesos only for a spot to pitch it. Treat yourself to a tasty meal of native chicken tinola for 600 pesos, or sip on a cup of freshly brewed native or iced coffee. It's a great way to refuel after a day of exploring. Alimatoc River Camp may be simple, but it's got some real natural beauty. With no electricity or phone signal, you'll really be able to switch off and relax. And at night, the sounds of birds and wildlife, along with the twinkling of fireflies, make it perfect for stargazing. Don't forget to check out the nearby waterfalls, like Pacol Falls, named after the Pacol banana found in the area. Take a refreshing dip in the cool waters and listen to the soothing sound of the waterfall. Alimatoc River Camp is more than just a budget-friendly spot. It's where you switch off from your everyday busy life and recharge. So why wait? Subscribe to Paradise Seeker blog for more travel tips, guides, and inspiration for your next outdoor adventure. Your chill getaway is just a click away.
Sige na ko, daghan na kaayo. Daghan na siya.